Today we just wanted to share with you the pump motor combinations that we provide for condensing units, fluid coolers, closed circuit coolers, ammonia units. This just came in and it'll be shipping back out today. But in any case, this one here has got a 5-horse Baldor motor on it with a Scott pump head and impeller in it. And we just wanted to give you a look at it right in the box. It also comes, you can see, with a foam-filled padding in the bottom of the box, along with a top insulated cover. So it's packaged very well to keep it from getting damaged. As well, it's loaded and banded down onto a skid. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.